I didn't show you the parting tool, and I want to. All right.
That's a good one.
Okay, so this is really cool. I actually have a when I heard about this tool, I was like, oh, I could have used that. I did a client of mine for a red carpet, and she was like, the parting has to be super perfect and super clean, like razor sharp and like dead center. That's part of the look, and then we're gonna make it really, really sleek and clean. I was like, okay, yeah. So I get in front of her, and I feel like my
nerve-wracking.
Yeah. Well, that's the job, right?
Yeah.
So I get in front of her, and I'm like, okay, is that center? She's in the mirror. She's like, no. And I was like, okay, what about that? And I was like, dead certain it was center. And I was like, honey, I think it's center already. So after 2 hours, we finally thought we got it center. Center to the red carpet, and I was watching the event on TV, and I just said, well, shit. It wasn't center. So
No.
I know. So when I heard about this tool, I was like, oh man, I really could have used that. And this is really something cool, and it's a little personal because the creator of this line had a real frustration with creating a center part, and I know that is a serious struggle, and because it took me a long time to learn how to do a great center part myself. So she created this headband, which you can not only do a center part with in like 5 seconds, you can do center parts as well. Yeah, so all you do is kind of move this over to the side, pull it through the air, and you've got a perfect center part. And I'll show you guys how we're going to create a perfect.
Yeah, we need a demo.
Part. Yes.
Let's hope it's straight, man.
Yeah, it better be,
Put it
right?
in the
I can't see, so.
Maybe my head is crooked.
Yeah, that's what I'll blame it on, right? Okay. So you're gonna put the headband on? I can't see up there right now. Is that in front of your hairline?
It's in front
you
of
guys
my
see that?
ears, though.
Is that in front of her hairline? Yeah. Okay. So you're just gonna put the headband on, pull it back through the hair, let it sit, and voila!
Wow.
You have a center part. Hey, is it center? It's center!
Yes!
I wasn't even looking this time.
Well done.
That's amazing. Great question. Yeah, I actually totally forgot to talk about this. It was one of my favorites. Anything else? Yes?
So where can we purchase all these products?
You guys can purchase these products on ultabeauty.com. Is that correct? Ulta.com. Ulta.com.
We'll actually be in stores second week of February. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. And yeah, so just follow us. We're at Leandro Limited. You could hashtag it, Beauty Board in Brooklyn. Thank you guys so much for coming out here and being part of this. Thank you guys.
Congratulations. She put her heart and soul into this.
We're open.